What's good, y'all? I'm gonna be showing you how to make hyperpop melodies for King Carson. Alright, so the first thing I did is I put these really simple chords, and you've probably heard this chord progression a million times, but I just did it so I could have a foundation for the rest of the beat. Alright, so after I put these chords, I added this little top line right here. And a little bit of music theory is if you want to make a melody that sounds like upbeat and has a happy vibe to it, most of the time you want to use the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 7th of the scale. And then occasionally you'll drop down to the 2nd of the scale. So the full melody with the chords sounds like this. After I finished the chords and the melody, I added this gross beat on it with the half beat gate preset, and then I rendered it out and pitched it up by 1 semitone, so it should sound like this. After I made those chords, I added this sine lead, and I used the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 7th of the G sharp scale since we pitched everything up a semitone. The final melody I added was this lead from the Space Group Serum Bank, and this is the same lead that was used in King Carson Backpack, and it sounds like this. To add variation to the beat, in some parts I actually pitched down this melody by an octave, and in other parts of the beat I also pitched down the melody by an octave, but I also added stops in between it, so it sounds like it has gross beat on it, but I didn't actually put gross beat on it. Alright, so the full melody together sounds like this. Alright, so moving on to the drums, I started off with the 808 and just followed the root notes of the chords. Very simple. All I did was turn up the 808 almost max and then turn up the velocities on the notes. And then I added this very simple hi-hat with a lot of spaces in between notes just to add bounce. The final thing I added was a snare. It only plays every 4 bars. So even though the drums are very simple, the thing I did to make them stand out is added a lot of like stutters and cut them up so that they would hit more times than usual. So the full beat together with the chopped up drums sounds like this.